Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you trade cryptocurrencies or you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies, here is a chance for you to trade and win prizes. All right, Gate.io just launched futures demo trading challenge. Register for a lucky draw, 100% chance to win and share $100,000 prize pool. All right, so if you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies or you already know how to trade cryptocurrencies, all you have to do guys is just to come over here on your Gate.io account and participate in this demo trading challenge. All right, this is demo. You're not making any live deposits to trade cryptocurrencies and win prizes. All right, now all you have to do guys is just to come up here and read about the trading challenge. This is just a 1 month trading challenge starting on November 17th 2025 up till December 17th 2025, 3:59 UTC. All right, now this trading challenge guys is going to be in specific pairs. All right, specific pairs, not all crypto pairs, and these pairs includes BTC USDT, Ethereum USDT, Solana USDT, XRP USDT, Doge USDT, Shiba, Pepe, WLF. All right, you can see these are the 8 pairs you'll be able to trade in this particular challenge and stand the chance of winning prizes. All right, now there are 2 different events in this particular challenge. The events one guys, you stand the chance of participating, and each user is guaranteed of about 10 USDT. You can see this right here, guaranteed rewards up to 10 USDT per participant, and a chance to win about $1,000 plus a PS5 console. All right, and if you scroll down to the second event, all right, this is the second event. You can see during this event, users participating in futures demo trading will be ranked by demo trading profits and receive corresponding rewards. Now, the number 1, that is according to their ranking system, the first person guys is going to get about 100 Gate.io tokens. The second position will get about 50 Gate.io tokens. Third person will get about 25 Gate.io tokens, and then fourth to 10th person will get about 50 Gate.io tokens. You can see this right here. All right, now from 11 up to 500 participants will get about 20,000 position vouchers. Now you'll be able to claim these position vouchers and use it for trading later on. And now for the event description guys, not just any Gate.io user will be able to participate. It is for the Gate.io users who actually register for this particular event. All right, now for live trading, participants may trade any USDT margined perpetual futures pair, but it must be all these pairs you're seeing right here, BTC, just these 8 pairs. All right, now upon registration, the system will issue you $50,000 in demo funds, replacing any existing demo balance. That is, if you've been demo trading on Gate.io, all your demo funds will be replaced with $50,000 for you to use and participate in this particular event. All right, now only registered participants are eligible for the rewards. If you do not register for this particular event, you will not be rewarded from their reward pool. All right, so all you have to do guys is just to come up here and read more about this. The link is going to be in the description box of this video for you to read and get started if you want to trade or you want to learn how to trade using demo. All right, so this is a free opportunity for you to learn how to trade and as well gain rewards while learning how to trade. All right, and not just this guys, another link is going to be in the description box of this video, and this particular link guys is for Gate Futures points airdrop. You can see this right here, that is the number 23. You'll be able to claim 100 Pi tokens and as well 100 USDT position voucher if you're able to participate in this second event. All right, you can see the 23rd round of the Get Futures points airdrop is now live. 2 exclusive reward pools is what we have. All right, and this is going to be on first come first served basis. You can see the pool 1 is to claim about 100 Pi tokens with 15 futures points, and as well pool 2 guys is about 100 USDT position voucher with 20 futures points. Now these are the criteria for you to actually participate in this second event. All right, which is points balance is over or equal to 120. all right, then rewards required token is about 15 Gate Futures points. Just all of these guys, you can see this right here, and it is limited from November 18th 2025 11 o'clock UTC up till 3:59 UTC. You can see this right here, and these are the eligibility criteria for the pool 2, guys. That is for the USDT $100 position voucher. All right, so you can just do well to come up here and read about it and get started if you want to participate in this and claim free Pi tokens. All right, now if you want to join this particular event, once you get to this page, guys, go ahead and make sure your account is logged in. Once you're logged in, guys, come up here and click on this one that says click to join. Now, once you get to this page, guys, let me just go ahead and translate this to English. Once you get to this page, guys, you can see my points at the moment is 0. All right, I have 0 points. So all you have to do, guys, is just to go ahead and boost this your points right here. This will give you the opportunity to participate in this particular event. Now, how do you boost your airdrop points? All right, you can actually boost these points, guys, by using these options you have right here. Let me just scroll down a bit. Using these options to boost your balance points and as well boost your trading credits. All right, and if you want to make deposit, this is an exchange. You can always withdraw your assets anytime you wish. All right, for you to make deposit in this particular site, you'll be able to use this option right here that says recharge. You can make deposits through on-chain, or you can recharge on the site, or you can use your debit or credit cards right here, or bank transfers. Anyone is possible. Like I said, guys, this is an exchange. Your money is going to be intact, and you can choose to abort this any moment you wish to. All right, now what are the importance of this? This is going to give you the opportunity, like boosting up your points. All right, boosting up these points, guys, will give you the opportunity to claim free airdrops. All right, now these airdrops, guys, are actually coins that have been in the exchange. Example is this Pi coin. All right, you can see Pi right here. This is coming soon, and you can see another coin right here, WCT, and you can see Bome. Okay, this one has ended already. This one has ended already. So these are the ones you can actually claim for now: Pi, WCT, and all these position vouchers that you can use to trade here on the exchange. All right, so if you want to participate in these, guys, the link is also going to be in the description box of this video. Go ahead, create an account with them if you've not yet created an account. If you create an account, guys, go ahead and participate in this event and claim free airdrops for yourself. All right, you can claim as much as 100 Pi tokens from this particular event. All right, now in case you're new to this channel or you've not yet subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button, guys, and give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. And in case you're not yet on our Telegram community, do well to join us on Telegram so you don't miss out on the updates we share on our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.